Volume profile is an analysis tool used in futures trading to analyze how volume is distributed across different price levels over a specific period. Unlike traditional volume indicators, which show volume per time period, volume profile shows volume per price level. Let's take a closer look at volume profile. I have a 30-minute E-mini S&P chart, and I'm going to go ahead and right-click. I'm going to go ahead and click on Indicators, and a dialog box opens up. I'm going to scroll down until I find Order Flow Volume Profile, and I'm going to double click. It'll bring down this study into the Configure section. It's highlighted, and this is how I could personalize my view. Starting from the top, we're on an E-mini S&P 30-minute chart. That's perfect. It aligns with our actual chart on the screen. Calculate on price change. I'm going to keep that there for now. Going down here, there's other things that you could customize. Most importantly is ticks per level. I have ticks per level set at 4. And what ticks per level does, it sets the size or the height of the volume profile histogram bars. If you wanted to track volume tick for tick throughout the day, you would set that at 1. Now I set it at 4 because we have a big range today and there's 4 ticks per point. Value area is 68%. Leave that there because that's one standard deviation that we'll see graphically represented on the profile. There's all sorts of visual components that you could tweak or change. Profile width percent is a big one because that will place your histogram bars a certain width on the screen. I have it set at 20. Opacities and colors, line types. We could also check show volume labels. You don't have to check it, but you can. It'll show the exact volume labels in each histogram bar once they're on your screen. Let's go ahead, apply, and OK. And you can see on the left-hand side of my chart, I have it left justified at 20% of my screen width, and you can see the volume profile. Notice a couple of things. I have the value area highlighted in orange, and I have prices above the value area, prices above value, a different color, or the opacity is less. The same with prices below. The largest histogram bar is called the point of control. It's where the price which the most volume traded throughout the day, and you can see it here is at 57.93 1/4. Now remember, each histogram height represents 4 ticks of volume traded at that 4-tick range. Remember, you could set it tick for tick if you like, but in this case I have it set at 4. Now you can see the actual volume numbers within each histogram bar as well. So it's a pretty handy feature. It's something I use every day, and that's how you add the order flow volume profile to the chart. Hope that helps.